You've got an air fryer. Now, what do you cook? Start with these 3 easy favorites. We'll start with frozen French fries, most everybody's favorite. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll pour our fries into the air fryer basket in a single layer. Okay, we're gonna cook these for 4 minutes. We'll take the basket out, shake it up, and then cook for another 4 minutes. All right, these are cooked for 4 minutes. I'm gonna take the basket out and shake them up real good. They're already starting to brown up. There we go. I'm gonna stick them back in the air fryer and cook for another 4 minutes. Total cooking time, 8 minutes. They are golden brown. They're beautiful. Let's add some ketchup and salt and take a taste. Mmm, delicious. Our number 2 favorite. Now we'll cook some frozen chicken strips. Now place your chicken strips in the air fryer. We'll cook for about 10 to 12 minutes and we'll turn these chicken strips about halfway through. Okay, it's been about 6 minutes on these chicken strips. I'm going to turn them over and we're going to put them back in for another 6 minutes. I'm pulling these out at 11.5 minutes. All right, they're coming out at 165 degrees Fahrenheit or above, so we're good. All right, let's see what they look like. Oh yeah, looks delicious. Looks good. Gonna try it out. Mmm. That is really delicious. It's a fast, easy way to cook chicken. Favorite number 3. Now we're cooking tater tots. We want to put those in a single layer, pop them back in. We're going to cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. Halfway through, we're going to pull them out, shake them up. All right, these tots have cooked about 6 minutes. We're going to shake them up. Make sure they stay in a single layer. And pop them back in for another 6 minutes. These tots have cooked for 12 minutes. Let's check them out. Oh, they're a delicious golden brown color. And they're crunchy. They turned out beautifully. Ooh, I love tater tots. I'm gonna try one out. They're crunchy and delicious, golden brown. Highly recommend.